Seeing my father look that way made me furious. What right did these imposters...
Do you recall not long ago when you... Well, you can't...
A real life fantasy, you're a real life fantasy. Loving the free and feelings. Hold the door, say please, say thank you.
Backup of how you determine everything, and you can go to salvationarmy.org online, and there's a complete list of what the fair market value of those items.
Coming home, you've been gone too long tonight. I'm gonna sing my songs of blues to make you feel right. No. La ventanita del amor se es también que me sabe a verdad todo lo que me da.
That large hand of the law.
I respect exactly what she's going through and how difficult it is.
I had a better voice and sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have
colombiano.
Que en inglés es Green Grove de Lilas, y de ahí proviene la palabra gringo como una deformación de esa oración. Radio Reloj. En toda Cuba, 5 de la tarde.
Boletín de noticias que alterna con la revista.
Recuerdan presencia de Fidel en Granma.
So wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. Baby, vamos a pasarla como se debe. En cambio yo aquí, pendiente de ti, buscando una...
So don't let me down. You think I'm losing my mind now? It's in my head, darling. I hope that you'll be here. Take me.
Because knowing where you stand feels good. Wells Fargo. Together we'll go far. Wells Fargo Bank and A, member FDIC.
Dear pesky blackheads.
To kind of go back to school. And it's 1 hour per week, only in the school setting. And what we do is same process, interview of the big and the little, but the only place they see each other is in the school.
Dead right, if the head right, Biggie there, air night. Papa been smooth since days of under rules. Never lose, never choose to. Bruce Cruz.
You know, South Florida has more black people than Atlanta and the surrounding counties combined. But yet we're not networked.
Really?
And so that's the challenge for Be Me, is to uplift this positive narrative, but also network all these black people that are here in this area.
I do have, we do have a good.
Y'all don't want to hear me, you just want to dance. Don't want to meet your dad.
It's 9 o'clock. When Paul wrote to the believers in Corinth, he said, God loves a cheerful giver. That affirming statement.
It's all right. I'll cut up that audio and send that air check your way.
Sweet. I'd love to hear it. Yeah. God, man, what a profession, though, not to be drunk at, right?
Still be smooth. Church, let me hit just a couple of ground rules at the beginning. I always say, I hope you've chosen wisely.
Like forks. Oh, yeah, he had forks.
Forks, yes.
Forever. Don't wear yourself out.
And just because I played this same tune, seeing it hurt certain sound boy.
Texto que voy a leer enseguidita.
Pronostican eclipses solares en 2016. Conozca los detalles en la estación científica de Estaciones